Hello guys, just a couple of new things for the Quantina Intelligence Forex News Trader. Allow me to start with default settings. Ain't gonna change anything on the first place. Just click OK. Yes, quite fast. It seems like working perfectly. Okay, it says the next news event is ISM Manufacturing PMI from US. Allow me to compare it with the Forex Factories calendar. Today is Monday, correct? So the next high impact news is yes, ISM Manufacturing PMI. Here we go, that's correct. Quantina says the next news event is a Canadian news, Bank of Canada Business Outlook Survey, which is over here. Yes, this is a medium impact news. That's also correct. Let's say we don't want to trade on medium or low impact news. So just go back to the expert advisor's properties and turn off the medium and low impact news. So medium false, low impact false, high impact is true. Okay, restarted. Yes, NewsTrader EA says only high impact news event will be traded. There is a nice feature in the new version. Finally, we can set or customize the currency pair where we want to trade on each news. So let's say there is a US news, ISM Manufacturing PMI, high impact level, and we can separately set the currency pairs over here. So there is a US news. I want to trade on USD Japanese yen, separate it with comma, and Euro USD. And at this time, I like to trade on New Zealand dollar USD as well. That's it. So there is a US news. EU will trade on those three currency pairs. Also, you can set all the rest over here. Let's say there is a Swiss news. I don't want to trade on Swiss news, so just you have to leave it blank like this. That's it. EA not gonna trade on those news events. And if there is a Japanese news, I don't want to trade on either. That's it. Click OK. Great. So go back to the economic calendar. What if I want to trade only on really high impact news events like cash rate or all-time favorite non-farm payroll or unemployment rate. Unemployment rate is always great. Inflation is always great. So in the new version of Quantina Forex News Trader, you can set a specific news trades only, which means if you set it true, EA will trade only on these news titles. Let me repeat it, only titles. So just go back to the economic calendar and let's say we want to trade on cash rates. So just copy this title from the economic calendar and insert over here. That's it. Okay, if it's Aussie news, it will trade Aussie dollar. Okay, good. Here we go. See? Quantina says the next and only tradable news is cash rate on Aussie. What if you want to trade on cash rates and as I mentioned on unemployment rates? There's no need to run a separated EA for this. All you have to do is just copy unemployment rate title and paste next to it, next to the title, but separated by comma over here. That's it. Let's try like this. So EU has to trade on cash rate and unemployment rates. Click OK. Here we go. Cash rate, unemployment rate, because the unemployment rate title is same on Canadian dollar and on US news. See, unemployment rate. If you don't want to trade on Canadian dollar unemployment rate, all you have to do is just go back to the settings and if there is a Canadian dollar news, we don't want to trade anything on it. That's it. Because this is blank, E is not going to open any currency pair if there is a Canadian news. But on the same time, there is a US news, Canadian unemployment rate. So E will try to open new trades on those three currency pair. That's it. Click OK. Perfect. It's working as it has to work. Thank you for watching.